bw'umugusi. Umuruburi kubwatya nabo kurigirirwa na kiro muntu.
Mbia mano sana mwanchi muliye wigeta sini giensoko ne biro binde nende tokumirana asomoro video wiki yage kyumugusi hirinde tawasemi tokumanye naki umugusi imene sikoyo rongo rwagusi agenda takwiriyeria engere ya kirali itko rero mbwate umugeni gaiga biyora bakakusanga nenge asegeke kerobosyo konde nyoro mwanchi muliye ayonsi naboko ya buratia wetera sense mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na borigo YouTube wetera Ensoko TV. Eliane kerugo fida. Karibu sana tugusanga asubwamo uchakabona iga oika omwele. Bia mano sana.
Asante sana.
Na wikumanya mwanchi muri Eliane kyokurukwa na ndenga yokurukuru iga sorgongo rwagusi.
Marieta Nenguruk Charles Mogaka. Nche onde omwiburua obonchari onkuru asakoro kuna Ariana ari bonchari. No wone bon
mwanchi muli naga ntikumanya Charles Mogaka ningo korwega sorgongo rwagusi
Charles Mogaka ye ibole tunagokina gari ya seriana ngasoma se Maria renge yari ya Montinga karulia Montinga ndenga enda Nyotoima nkama konne day school ya renge kurukuma secondary umari secondary no twa rekogenda twakabokire getona saa 9 we prepare kwa rachiombe kwa imuka kiyuga saa 11 mwanse sabali omurambara ari twarenga basani bane tware guturana twagenda ngora kilomita kitarengense ya 10 twike school nande bono school na yari gwansa no twasomete tutwanyase na lengo mwanafunzi yo 400 kirango so form 1 ina renga division yana nande school ya wate infrastructure ke isaine bono tware gosomera bokong sakinde twagatomira roche imagine ya secondary
mwako enda roche
lakini woto mroche so abantu bali bali basomete boarding nande barabu ate asaba kwansira ate kero igoira asagia ase ale better no wata so once maybe mamu mino mwalimu tato mino no brandia umolemi I know what ore tori once 00 ngwasiro ole asegete bono ko jora in most cases onye tori once asegete ogo strain sana no nyine chikali echinyinga abantu babwate 80% of the people's career bakiri babwate around 30 as 80% mbamanyetie bachorete gento batatagete because yo butaka nechi yangu cyabo nabayi babatetino mwana waberere nkamono maleta gocha tomokonye bono mwana orocha ko mwalimu muya oira no chobo mo umunyagitari yo ganeri ko umunyagitari oira no choba umwalimu bono mixed of careers because ya poverty na sorwet because I remember say mumura na renga ali kana tware basoma rekorupwa Julius bona go teneta mangana communication nana mumuro ya gasoma kaitenga kitu bon turabake akaba role model traba role model akagenda university mumuro ya gasoma for 4 years kraso for 4 years agarene gasikabura akaira na nande in akacha gasomere getenga akacha kanyore gas no ndana ro so mikizi school koruktom bona gato kina bana anyati B+ tomo aganda goro sen course University of Nairobi o senso science kara kore course yeye aga kora ekara kora ega sika bornanda kana university for 4 years so bono nchena so mete school whereby kolidanchi yarenge gasi tali kuli yota gete kolidanchi eyarenge gas tigakota egere kero igwete tigakota na twakalire gateri okorira nchi yare gas because nabange kero twachire school mambi bono tokunyara tio moibori abo kakoro say something go happen in brain digere onyore no na kana chio chikonyi bono school no twakachira twabekerain tora sori gwero ngoro
tumo sene ya wali wali
abori bore expensive bitu mana ande birie bibundo nkonde lakini twanyi we survived so no na so meten karuo kanda sa University of Mount Kenya Maboga Konga born in a family of 8 so bidorabia kongete lakini nde kirase okokora kire ndokora egenteke numuntu agotebi don't give up don't baise gutika because some of us we believe by missing we tried we don't have ntobwati ndo kuna negativity in trying yani yendonge yoge kuna you have lost in trying do one so we kept on trying to karuaria tukaira nabo Maboga Konga
karkende university ko sikiwa sitawa fararo
ejera kolete entrepreneurship so merte biashara so tukero Maboga Konga tukakora tukairana tukangirana ko ligichikasi buno ndebwensi arari patityango te free ndabo mano bugimono boko mona munaba murabake ose kinyaroka cinke kiri kitete kwirwanira kara tuwarwari Maboga Konga so I had to give up we kanale ko ego semelia so mugo muna mboko ba the same because as to amenyete nabana ba minto njekera lituko nale batana mambi mboki uya na ande kemane Kenya sai ebitombiro go suspend in life for your success asaba swati biro asaba sacha biro ebintombiro ko suspend ko bi break for success enga one kanisa ngo ikabala batana bone kinse cyokora andi mukire so no ane simye ko fried mo so in life asayang muno monto moko okina ebintombiro kana rigotiga bone ke naru abubu Maboga Konga lakini nena anje tako some gazeti mpaka bono ndinga anje tako what news nini konyore information toko guronyi toranyore information na bora betujiti school lakini enjero konyore information n'abantu bari gukina te teamwork y'abantu matters a lot egera na irane tobona libo Maboga Konga na iranire bono tukasinyupi gitokora sababu mai tobono kerwa ikire those levels oiko organic navigate korana kyo survive because bano kwa vile machua bono ogane iri binto mbiro ogane iri gokora digere to etani h set as much as having a house kutwale nyumba is a dead stock nyumba tega nilikuwa gajua so muntu amake kutwale family teri an achievement but rende those are necessities for the continuation do you want so ebigo ikakwara ko bitua
torira nango maiga kigo ekero mwana asomire maybe achire bakasensemerie university nonya na avaiboli usa sensemo y'abanyakenyoro gutwara bara bakosemeria gaki una gukora immediately gango nyorare mirimo maybe acha kogorora e family yae aye sensemo yawo ngikiyabeta
wana yo ogaje to ko school na nde bale ba ko school so wana yo ganyire to monta ko ra some but again on the other side yo monto yetara eta school so the expectation ye community kreigoro na kinago tabyenye kwa nyigu chikali achinyinga abantu babwate in life echire fake ebale forced the same way like 50% ye chinyoma abantu bamenyete bosayo because they did not have time, they did not spend abande banyoma because ba umera neto busy abande banyoma because ba colleagues abande banyoma because konye myaka ya chire
aye ko se ya wachorete lirukwa gonya ukina nero watete ngako ko bomondo
chikosi nkole tangenye nje niko chikosi chinyinge yes ni nkole te binte bike mabu in life we also mere binte binge to get the you must catch up with many issues so that you can mwel ni korta mangana IT certificate rebo ni korta mangana social work and community development ni korta because ebinge
bikebike
bigere because you have options in life because I've told you that abantu abange systems in sharing in their families ekra baso muna wano say no so mo first you are struggle okora struggle giokoli tali giote te koli okora struggle aragera lakini tali o struggle giotage so on that process obogima bokabo bokongu tukairana bono didi na achire town nkajora samo my friend bao te na botura kole biashara ibiri bitatu tokoleki twegendereri so ngachankara oni chire ni chiate bichi achirete cancel didi achirete that was 2010 born on the process nidi katibe go chigo chencho I want to know the university but I'm still actually nkaumira mchieka professor nkaumira bitange demo nkaumira oyo nde spokesman ya police ngero oyo ritaye to bugitonge nkaumira Francis Mitiamba they are all tired so ekero bano ba chora bantu kateba to muntu yo makwana in Gusi Stadium that's 209 kibagera lya rwerere chatadini bone gatoe kana ndo triangles as young people so mo disio lenga olikoro kunjoroge ochita karita olenge county secretary akataba Charles must speak so ngatena mutunga kwana ekara na kwana speech eliane ekagoki abantu bali bayikaranse the senior government officers pato mitune state bache so yo ndaga ante bya micheka kantere miabu ya namba ochoje serena ndoko bwate meeting ya Gusi professionals bagusi professionals inyora nana ojina Nairobi tima etia serena no karua abogoli chianga lede bona liye Gusi professional bako bangamana ya devolution so nalindueta ngagenda baka Nairobi tima etia pia center tima etibon to ikeli gwali muturu anyamira bononga nigo cha serena ngayeka tibwati ku map tibwati kenda so but omozani ono yo manga ndikero go ikire Nairobi okolije abantu bero kwa bola kitoboli onde bwesi yo gose so ngaboli omuntu wepigipigi agande byo kogenda igonjokana ne kamate ni ma to ene basa mate Nairobi to yote imuntu toma ida ba ko ira sangao so garuali ngada baka serena kalini wepigipigi abo kama shilingi 200 kankyo saa 2:30 nkanyora bona bagusi professionals bona bali bagusi bali basomete ngiye bona pantaba nene be serikali babo professor Kibwage babo professor Ogechi pantaba nene bona bali that meeting bagusi bali who is who babo Charles Nyachai bona bachiramo kurunyamira bakakisi baro si professionals bachikona ki county ko choro chikabana 2030 bona ande nirindali nande nkarangeli unga kwa muna youth ko represent youth in that forum bona kana kwa nagalia abantu bakakoka with my speech kunyana ko research pinte binene ali na mate kunyana ne feed with information mate ko no kwa na sabanta banene go ikole yake ole ile seminar ole rangeli seminar so ngarwali bakangancha the negru from there bona micheka Professor Antevi ochoche nchenko ile National Commission for Research and Innovations bono nkamoa namba tukanya okwana agachakangiro tukaumira nesio esio ibone gere PS saukate na baraba sani mentoring yubo sani for around 13 years tukaenda tukamanya na prof ali tukakora kwa hivi project yetu tukairana ilimu na serikali yake itwe 13 professor kwenye promise ya kaenda Vietnam Vienna katika menyoro ngatikara bono njebwe so nkairana ngacha ilina ali kwenye waso nkabono ebiasara nga suspend ikintu naso merete ngata yabono our main agenda no kuligi chibesa. So I had to hustle. Ononko ikanao nie binto mabati ya nini chisimiti. Bono ngatika atigire konjire nchigo talikira njia tene binto biaroto. Nomo subati naro ndigete tu ariko nero chitaka bo mwalimu kuruku Yunis. Uchitaka bo mwalimu wasomyo sema chako TTC. Bono tu ariro tenera korda mangana food lakini ngakon lot. So to karuoro tukaanza bona abunta ni we went bono tukanya kwera ina bantaba tukaja bono tukasuka. Then I got some invitation. I started going to Kambara to do a presentation. Kaganda Kambara alia Nigeria kitu bakandangeli kana give a speech on innovations. Bono kanya kwanda presentation because the year ya na left young invited. I had to say that we cannot go back. We had to develop. Bono kanya ko invite which meeting china. Like I went to Kambara kana give a speech in Kambara. A team ya lenga legata we have another one in Dar es Salaam. Jina no Dar es Salaam. Na no Tanzania. Kaenda ka print ya fuaga passport ngasoe gali. Ngo ikarusa. Nganyara kumbe Tanzania gali njiko tara botuko. Bona inkorara nana uchia rusa. Bodo. Ngai karanse stage uma takarole stage. Stage ende on stage 24/7. Nganyara manamba ali nini wewe waenda wapi? Ngobate mimi naenda Dar es Salaam. Batanza wata naenda da. Na wanyige tari. Kaisara nsigunse. Ngaline gali ya makaseti. Maite gali ya makaseti bwa tikiro. Bono so wikaransa. Dar es Salaam. Koruarusa baka Dar es Salaam is 10 hours drive. Para na gali kuminyoka. So I went there. I gave the speech in Garuo. Ngayana start growing. I just started a few companies. Then I started to hustle seriously. So the first thing that the first thing for any young person who wanted to grow, any first thing is that you must give yourself hope. You must have hope. At all given time, you must have hope. Nande at any given time, dismiss. Make it to be the strong cornerstone. We don't have a space. Nobody is caring about you. In this life, to all sorts of life. But we keep on, we pursue it. Appreciate yourself. Have confidence. Have confidence that say tomorrow will never be the same. So on that process, we started doing business. Some of our businesses is working. Because as we speak currently, if today you can see something advertised in the newspaper, so we could be innovative. That's why, apart from my political career, Njengo Korande into research and innovations. And a social entrepreneur, like now, I do social entrepreneurship, which and also about it. Our duty is to see opportunities. Opportunities that are not there, but there is a possibility they can. Politics will be so expensive for you if you don't have media. So anybody who is going to run for political office, update Facebook, Twitter, and all that. It is a must because you want to Boganda or your friend will cast off. There will be more opportunity in that.
Yobana se generation yere go chimoto gate go chakobeka na bune yabona kwenda kwarangilia bangine kebute osabaga kebute.
No. Election will change. Obviously it must have to change. So this method must change. Bono moto wantu wate ya egonjora na chibicha ya nyinyunta ni abantu ejetalengo. That's why kochimoto it will be the hardest for the Bwensi or 65 67 to 70 to make it like unless Aromonto updated. You must be updated. The same way with the system business are being done as an entrepreneur, you must be updated. I want this glass. You only need to go and physical. Meaning it does not need you. Why do I need you if I know bamboo cement is in it? You're true book into Mejibe. So as a as young people, every asarango chibire ko bakongera. Anye mbali ko ba innovative and creative. This business will be taken by the rich. Because young people, anye bakonyara go style up, ligera bachiko outside the owners. They will still be beggars of opportunities.
Asensemo yago yo bwana siasa. Lakini mwana siasa kiyo kwa alikuli kwate wana nincheka. Asa matukana abo siwekankiro mwana siasa yo.
I've been admiring many politicians, the way they do their politics. Inche I've been grown nkoso mande more about Goodluck Jonathan. No matter Jonathan.
Yeah.
Goodluck Jonathan is the former president of Nigeria. Can also have a story here. How did it come and how did it end? Is the most guy I always admire. And I wish him a good health wherever he is. He's my role model. And the way he planned to take presidency, and the way he won, and the way he left presidency. So if you have time, go and study about Goodluck Jonathan, the president of Nigeria, the former president of Nigeria. The way he was elected, akabo mojumbe, akabe president, akaruo president, akagenda. So for me, I just admire him as one of my African great leader for that. Then Nonyera Mafosa, the president of South Africa, Nera, I always admire him because he was a youth, akaguro paka to be the president. In Kenya, I have admired the politics of William Ruto. Basically, William Samoei Ruto is a munakinete from North. A poster ya Tanzania likire Musema Ukweli. The first poster of William Ruto was written Musema Ukweli. When he was a young man, because he had got not a year and talk about my, I've been admiring his process to be where he is today. A process ya Ruto pakati ko be president. I think it is one of the most admirable process in power. So Montomo Koraga Nikolani. The way this man grew, ekera rutarwet aswata kwa moi, akaenda kalan, akarua raga swa, ase Kibaki akaran, akarua swa Seraira kalan, akaswa so urua kalan. Bono is the president. Whether tomorrow you will not be the president or not, I know that Ruto knows what is going on. Ruto is one guy who knows what would happen. If as much as this guy is arrived, I just admire his politics. Many people admire him, despite the few people who feel that they have been suppressed. That's a self-made leader.
Okay. Sensema yao kwa rata Ameriko Olivero Lega. Politics is for another day. But then na Aboleti National Youth Council in 2012, I lost it. 2013, Nkaboli Chikura, I lost. 2014, Nkalani as a member of parliament, I equally lost. 2017, Nkalani as a member of parliament, I equally lost. 2019, I ran as a member of parliament, I lost. 2022, I ran as a member of parliament, I lost. And also I ran as a speaker of the Kisii County Assembly, I lost. For me, I don't feel like I lost because I'm using that term to make people understand fast. But you learn. I missed the opportunity, but I got the one to learn. Because when you miss the target, you remain to learn. Because I remember one day, if you see a footballer going to kick a penalty, I go ikaira na mage. You know what? Okwira mage ga woman ndokotoma a penalty. It means that the thing is sure. That's why okwira na magega. If it was sure, kanga atenitali. Atomelio. Bona in life, okwira na some few steps behind. Okwira yourself a seminar for what you are going to make, for any decision you are going to take. So to have some steps backward, it means you are taking yourself a seminar for the better. Ndio wana in. Na ndo wana kero waka. A good number kero wachiri your seminar you can sometimes score. So in politics, I've been learning those process, but currently I'm just an associate entrepreneur. I do projects, and we are there. Yes. tora bwaterera ga buto chitomanya nga egori yao ndi gocha kwa nyonsi bono se mwako yogo cha rio ka nyonsi tora bwatera tora so muntu makomokeiga tokwira nanto beto gusanga mange byema nasano mwanchi muri wita seni Giensoko ni gotogende tegosanga no mwishimiye wa Charles Mogaka kura sense moya bonchali uyo gendete gutumanya ngakya kwirigiria eganga ya kirarito kokorende tetora so muntu makomokeiga to skatonyegera bera ntara segeke kikerebosyo elinde tobeto gusanga amangi.
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi. Magega ya televishoni ya Nsoko gwikasero yao kwanyoribaga ligi yaliyokuralia asegete sena mbeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokuralia bokwenyoria ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono na bokonyoribaga lyabene liyokuralia asegete senieke asoliguri liyakibusani tulikere gose twakere simigwitere namba yaito yobonchuria 0788666662.
Buya kegemo mwancho muri bwa Nsoko TV asoko igoro murangu na gutwanchira goswa enka yawe mambi yabono.
Buya kegemo inde aso twanchira ko bari yogiritanga ni kwegure nyumba mwago emambiye.
Nsoko bwa kiro mwancho muri inche Innocent Onyango.
Diana Ndem.
Togenda se gazeti ya The Daily Nation asbago tebanga ikiama gyo DM ge kwamba kororekananga gatigati yayo mwatikano nororo ikiama gitamanyikana tigo sekere serikali kubwatira serikali asomo secretary general so kirinda kugikilia serikali ngichwera kwani gorengani
Raila puppet or ODM lepo matojo Edwin Sifuna ole secretary general ya ODM secretary general ya rogo saini kurwe binto kurwe makitapa kerege lakini nkoire ni mahega kego umuntu mato gukurageria sese ya ukagari egere koge mutuko
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi.
Buyake gima mwanchi muri area wegeta seni Giensoko ngo kwarigania asentunda ya kabere chinga kitogenda gosanga imeyo murobire wiki kyo mugusi astogenda gosanga no mwishimiwa Charles Mogaka ura sensemo ya bonchali oyo gendeta goterera ali abere kabo ikirania kondo mwanchi muri area ngo kwarigani ilindu togenda gosanga ase obwamo mwishimiwa nabo gotomanya sensemo indeto abetwa korra ko gutarase mitandao ibintu mbire kwara ko bibere bitateiga sensemo ya innovation korato manyinga nsemei
I do innovations and research. Bokoranda mangana innovations, I'm a researcher. I'm a social entrepreneur, and I told you on the other side, I'm a social innovator, a futurologist expert, whereby we predict events, and, we understand on, what's going on, and we normally see to our runner what is supposed to be done. As a futurologist expert, we have what we call the study of trends or study of events, chira and documented. Whereby, we did a project on Locust. We did a project and innovation that was sinking the Locust, making them fit in Northeastern, which we did not receive funds, but it was one of the biggest innovation research we did with my colleague partner, Anthony Mutua. We also did a project on water systems and sewerage treatment. We are also doing a project on research and innovations we are doing on green energy, how we are going to come up with a modernized toilet, digitalized. So I think very soon, if the project will be accepted, we are going to do it, whereby you don't need to go and join your flash. So we are working on that. Don't worry, we shall invest on that. That's our next project that we are going to work on it, which we are almost doing it, whereby those toilets, they can just flush themselves. Because so when we shall be able to come up with that such kind of innovations, that will be very nice. It will be life changing. So apart from my political career, I do research and innovations. In Butere Girls, 2 years ago, we had a project on so we had again worked on the sensors, whereby we care at Tebaskari because Mary abantu bali bakutanzania bakabanguze abantu bali ba those sensors were not working to coordinate with the police, but it is with the number. So that excessive. So we are working on several projects on research and innovations. We are also want to partner with the Lake Basin Commission. I was in Mwanza. I was in Msoma last year with the RC Commissioner. We are also talking with our team from Kenya to learn what we can be able to do on the restocking of the forestation. As say aliyotanyare goika ngakitora akore tokore mangana yemete na make sure we have restored the species. Again on Kisii University, with the wisdom and the guidance of Professor Nathan Ogech, we are going to, actually there is my team is already on the ground. They are still working with the professor of Kisii University, Professor Nathan Ogech, and his able Chancellor, Dr. Ruto, to see how we are going to remove all the trees and get back the indigenous trees, whereby we shall be having avocado, ebirangweti, chinguru, ebichimachimi, all those back. Then you will get them very productive. That's why I'm telling squeeze. Chinda chiawa jikobona. It is because they don't eat fruits. Raw fruits, repair all your children. Repair and water, some medicine. Ebukato ne water. Ebirangweti, chinguru, chin sobo. Even though we instead of born with the Professor Gage, is trying to be the first university in Africa, and that was stand. No more talking university graduation. That was make a totally returned. Ore kiri na ndo kawe fruits because abana bali mali around 17,000. Na yoka abakurus fruits bali echiko ba enago energy because abantu bakiro meal processed which chiko iri ni miakanza.
Engi kyage tomugachane project ikerkene na matunda mwararira akianire
oisekorigere rite matunda akaire mono de rock of fruits newe rock of fruits ebindo mune birangwedi mapera maembe rocos tigebi crafted rocos akaire at least we are again going to cheveri home kiromuchi otwale bukato kirangwedi riembe so that those are ready fruits abantu bane rikoli so among the many, even to talk about na behavior, to talk about the current situations and the current world. Again, we are also part of the advisors of advising the generations. If you look at the President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency William Samoei Ruto, is undergoing a very serious education crisis in Kenya today. It is because of the systems that were put during that time. You look at when Moi was the president, Moi separated girls and the boys. He separated boarding schools. When Kibaki came in, when Moi separated the girls and the boys, he propelled the issue of racism, lesbian, and gay within those schools because these kids were unable to learn and understand their reproductive organs. If you come during Kibaki time, Kibaki went ahead and said, no, we don't need to beat these kids. Tusiwachape viboko, leave them. You know, these are the kids who don't understand the sexual reproductive one. Now, hakuna kupigwa kiboko. Now, when we came to Uhuru, which is worse, we are now having a crisis of CBET, whereby you wake up in the morning and tell a kid, your party is this party, the party is so.
China. China onye umwana gatete korosi onye nichigari akorosi akwegerigo mapema korunze onye nensa orosi.
No, what is there is the president is battling a long-term problem of not training these kids about life. Bana bambale prepared to face life. The kids we have today, they are not fully prepared to face life. We have taken too much protecting them and their rights. I don't know when we shall be old, what they will say. Mommy, I want chips. Mommy, I don't want to go to school. When a teacher tells you we do this, you go back and insult the teacher. Come tell me, no, my kid is right. When these kids will grow up, one, they will not get married or married. They will be murdering themselves. Watakuwa na chinyonga watoto because hawajui maana, they don't know the value of living because we have not prepared the kids. So the president of Kenya is undergoing three presidential problems on education and child and a child growth problem. If you see the procedure I've told you, Moi brought separations, Kibaki brought no caning, Uhuru brought CBC. Now the president is here. You want him to provide solutions whereby a big girl, you cannot cane her because the mother can protect.
Akatoguriria se umurubire wiki aikyo mugusitoguriria mugusiekera ari gukina kare akonyara ngabangi bare gokora uburimi utugibwe chyombeiga baenda mugondo bari ase generation etugwate bona igero matukago sionto bufite tutwara abana bawo kama no ene chambe.
Bono, now you are seeing. Bono, you are now coming to this is now the right discussion. Bono, this is the right discussion. We are preparing, you know, people are chasing to be rich, have big homes, big cars, have nice, beautiful clothes and all that. They don't know the future. They don't know the future. The future is that their kids or someone to inherit these things. That's why in Africa, parents have not prepared their kids to take over. How many kids in KISS you can go today, and then you see that his parents are mempatia shamba or something. Parents are not willing to surrender what they have. So the Gen Zs are waiting for parents to die so that they can take this. They are just waiting. The moment you piga kona hivi, before weko mocha gari imeuzwa. Gari inauzwa nini? So we are battling a very serious crisis. The Gen Zs don't want to go to the samba. That's where I was just coming. This generation, hawataki kulima, hawataki vitu ngumu. They want soft life. iPhone yake akuwe na bundles. Who will feed these kids? That's what the lifespan sometimes, as a futurologist expert, a person who started about plan an event, I want to say this. In the next 15 years, when we shall be turning 50s, this generation will be 40s. You will see many things unfolding. Because these kids hawajawai enda kwa shamba. We just produce and they consume. They must be taught. Which there is a gap. Huwezi ambia mtoto osha nguo. Go to universities. Those kids don't know how to wash their clothes. How do you expect to take care of the babies? Mama Fua will not be there. Because it will be their generation to take themselves. assuming me and you, we are getting old, because by the time we shall be 60, the Gen Z will be at 40. Mimi ndio nitaenda kuwasea Gen Z. We must prepare our kids. Kenyans, we have spent more much discussing about politics while we are leaving a gap of generational mentorship. We are leaving a generational mentorship gap, which is very, very critical. That's why sometimes Professor Ogech of Kids University always say that train those kids while they are young. Train them their manners, not even academic values. If you hear in his speech which he said during graduation, he said, the graduates we have made in today, please parents, learn to train them, mentor them so that they can be mature enough to face life.
Karokorigereria ni michande menge kwa bere gukumerana. Kero kende yabeire bitango gwese ya gukinire kugera gwikire rero ira. Nere yeye kwa bere gukumerana.
Emechando ne menge tu afe serious obo mogo. Mono muna korigie ge tutoko kenyora. There are several challenges chinyinge chiro chirande chiro in life. Ndiro ko film na konanga nkwaba nchire ndoko nye family patuato kanda kwa diki. So the worst moment is when my father was dying. And nalia bole tu na onye ndikwa bwate chibesa kanga nkwa ndwali. That was one of the worst moments ever in my life. Like my dad thought you na kunanga niche nganiri komokonya. You know kero mwibuli I expected much from you. Ya towe kana yo monyene. Tutageti komokonya. It is so sad. That's why ngara ya muraba antaba ke young generation. Please check on your parents. Just check on them. Baboli bwa kire bwa ire because they have big homes. At time will come na kwa go treat the same way no gani mwana apeta go aggressive. So as a young generation, we felt that those were among the lowest moment for this for my life. And then they got the abantabake they must suspend the interest. We kaba suspend you must suspend bragging, you must suspend your characters. We go suspend even for you to be successful. Onye whatever wegento learn to take it serious as a young person. Oika otiko gweroli kuimokereri igoro. Life will just humble you. Kabo mondo appreciate na minogendo keyo. You begin from there. Tiri abantu barabonyora basaja banene bakogenda saba kungwa banene bakogenda bakikomenyo boyi. Ono boli umuntu oyo bwate bakakindero. Ngakia kuraro boyi kibwikibe. Aholi mogako manene okonyorore. Omenyeto boyi. Bono bosine ngai bono choni akareta baka menyete bwanti ai. So it is very wrong for this majority people. Komenyo boyi. So we call it use appreciate your home. Onye to komenya sei. Osonye to komenya your own house. To kunyara ko grow. Because to komanya the challenges chikotek chire improvised on itself.
Karikende generation enero wasomere watigire kwenye kubwate chimbaratero cha umete myaka nero ngone kwende metimbaro ro kwa bere ko commenta asimirime yao para
asijingo kora mentored people mentored Anthony Mutua. Anthony Mutua is an engineer from Mukamba. I've mentored abantu na babo Edward Mauti, Samuel Yayeko. The lives of those, and I'm happy. They even have an abundance of material. I'm happy that they are saying Mwalimu without you, my tenants of Media High School. Found that we are happy. Mentorship is like inter-skill transfers. Skills in the media to some class. Skills is we cover no montago tebi. Why good? We cover no monto guide or tebi yereka. Echikuru kubono. As innovation to skill transfer. Again, don't go to and let's go inside. Also, according to take for wrong. So I've met that many people, and I still do, and I want to be a role model for many young people, and most other people will want to learn from me. Thank you.
Ngikelioro che serikali tebe serikali enene usi serikali county ya Kisii irasire anene mona basai inde ko egenda ile soko nyore nyiri aba yakeralitu.
Njeko tebya ba MCA ba Kisii County. Baeti amachiko mororo asabanta bake. Mondo ni wenjo taraika 35 years. Bamo chirises baira ninse through the assembly because baira ni chirises sinza bantaba ke bakole biashara kana bakole biashara bibakonye for this future the same way muna wano mongi na donya what is doing, you try to empower. You cannot empower Kiromon. Nkwaro na bana ntu abaire school. It does not mean inche nyisanege tabana bali bana ale koira school in social media ena kubanyora I go on my way na batebi let me see nanyora friends ban. So you can still help in a small way, in a big way. Thank you.
Kono ntokwa nera igoro yo konyonsi gori mete gose sobo chori bobole bosi ongoira no na ndegeti
njenda tena ekero muntu aruarete na buku iguna bono ngobuya nango osi wade bi umuntu orensema na na igure tinkoba kwanya gwatira abantu bole kwanya kolike gwire yani bono in politics na rondiro guika kuiguna ase bone tigarete egente kesigona I think I'm the next member of parliament. Yes, I'm the next member of parliament of Wanchari constituency. Yes, on 27 August. Yes, na ikiri yani kana enjera na igure. I think niche ngariri ko. Na ikiri bone kona teba temire na ande na rodi rasa makosa abete.
Ando kwareke beshi.
Bono I think I'm if God wills nyasai karanje we shall be in parliament in 2017 by December we start debating even the Koruaria on 9 moral parliament. Thank you.
Sasa ngana yayo moele gochigo segeto mo gusisiko gali asokwane kyanga ngwerigeria rengeria ya kiralitkoniriye
abagusi andozi asimure na ndawa mondi gereti asomurobiri yoiga we wo kwerigeria andozi asimure murangeria abana bahino mubayikaransinse abayiseke n'abamura muba bagere ebintu bikebike bansiro bugama muntu ndi bwenshi bwato mwana ole 27 years and above murangeri moye ngombe moye mbori moro ya sakosime kali talk na abaga bwati degree chinene nchibwati value the degree does not have value omwana ogo ikatu alegenta gukora so that amanye na mama onyegeira another level because abana nabo kubegeri babe doctor babe professor but inu muna abayiboli onye murabegeri nkibaka dirikokora abana abatu bakoenda nandi bayirana na kyokorera abana abange serebe bakumnyokie gali para niliyogiride igoro dwe so because abayiboli batigire kubakwanira bagende ngoro ndo gali atuomiria abana ororangeria abana baino mubakwanire muborokie mete yego chweri iga rochobe kechaye iga kweli na ndo nyitubwati bole mu as a parent tangeli umwana moerese naki digeri bole momboyo bamuraba mino baisika ba mino na bate na ndege tukende abayiboli abana nabayino bonse baba baiseke baba bamura barangeli bonse babagere binta maria ino equally and equal shares. Thank you.
Mbiyemana sana asogosangana inde.
Thank you very much.
Mbiyemana sana mwanchi muri area bwita seni yensoko kwa bere ko gosangana inde ko twaga cyagete go ikabona igato ikiro mwelyo no gasemera kwa nemna kwa bere ko gwesemya mange gwetera omugeni bweritko lyarera gwekera kinga kikinde tobeto kumerana irinde tobeto gusanga amange litaliane kerubo frida
taburingana y'ingincho kurwa sumuru buri bwcyage cyumugusi
mwanchi muri area ingana tobeto gotaburia kurwa somugeni bweritko lyarera nere buya ayebuna omuyibori hobe ko gwikaransia abana babo nako basemye naki babweneta kwerigeria ase amatuko abusi orende tari okuganya ekero wasiri obulima nari baguche kumanya naki bakwerige no bwenete obaikende babe baguchakira asobuma bwa
taburingana y'ingincho kurwa sumuru buri bwcyage cyumugusi Eye Nensoko TV